this is Activerse. I'm about to do a quick twist out, a 2-strand twist. I've done this before. If you haven't checked it out, link should be in the description or here, up here somewhere. Yeah, man, let's get into it, man. Alright, you guys, I just wetted my hair. This is how long my hair is. Dang, man, it's a lot. Let's get into this.
So, condition first.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yep.
We're gonna be here all night.
Alright guys, I'm getting my hair conditioned right now. Oh, look at that fade. Shout out to Gunther. But it's to get everything moisturized and like wet, so it'll be easier when we detangle it. My hair is rough, man. So hey, stay tuned. Alright, we're almost done sectioning it out, or she is almost done.
And it'll stay? Cool.
You guys, this is a hairdo twist out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all some of the products we just used. You feel me? You feel me, man? Thank you guys, this is it for the video, you know what I'm saying? How's it look, how's it look, you know what I'm saying? Activerse, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming in clutch all the time, but hey, make sure you like, subscribe if this is your first time, and push the notification on. Alright, I'm out. Dress coming soon.